delivery, very good delivery. This is end of pass. एक बड़ा Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again. This is the second evening of this semi-final between Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. The total target is 214 runs is the target for Kashmir United. This is very great batting by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, Faisal, and especially Zahid. He also plays very well, knock 48 runs given to his team. The total target is 214 runs. This is very huge total here given by Chukkar Cricket Club to Kashmir United.
Incoming call from Nadeem Wali identified by Truecaller.
This is very great batting here by the players, especially Muzammil Mehraj, Ishfaq Loan, Zahid, and also Faisal gives also support to Muzammil Mehraj. Very well partnership played here between the two batsmen, Muzammil and Faisal. उस वक्त दरकार थी उस पार्टनरशिप की, जरूरत थी उस टाइम, क्योंकि मुश्किलात में थी वो ये टीम चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप थी अपनी टीम को. द टोटल टारगेट इज 214 रन्स फॉर कश्मीर क्रिकेट क्लब.
Asli malam sekarang begini.
This is a very great batting by the batsmen of Chukkar Cricket Club, especially Muzammil Mehraj, Zahid, Ishfaq Loan, Faisal. This is a huge total given by the batsmen to Kashmir United. Thank you, Sharif Bacha. Thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. This is the first semi-final of under 19 T20 tournament played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is very huge total given by Chukkar Cricket Club. 214 runs is the target for Kashmir United. The two batsmen is Fahad on strike, and the batsman on strike is Shakir M. And Kamran Bhatti is the bowler. He is very energetic, young and talented bowler for Chukkar Cricket Club. He's on strike. He's on bowling mark. First delivery. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. 1 runs on board for Kashmir United. अगर हम बात करें इस बॉलर की, कामरान बट की, एक मायानाज, एक टैलेंटेड, एनर्जेटिक, एग्रेसिव बॉलर है इस टीम के. So again he is on his bowling mark in his first over in the second evening. This is Kamran to the batsman. It is a very good delivery here by Kamran, but beat the batsman Shakir. No runs score remains on 1. This is the first over of the second inning between the two teams, Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. This is semi-final. Which team will qualify for finals in this under 19 T20 Super Cup? It will be seen after 20 hours. This is again Kamran. This is very good. Here was the appeal, but at the end they cannot impress the umpire Jar Yusuf. No runs score remains on 1. This is very good delivery by Kamran Bhatt. Score remains on 1, and this is the first over of the second inning. The target is 214 runs. Is a very huge total target given by Kashmir United. Very good batting by Muzammil Mehraj, the keeper of this team. He is very talented, young and energetic player of this Chukkar Cricket Club. Also Zahid, very well knocked off 48 runs in 15 deliveries also. Faisal also plays very well knocked. This is another delivery from Kamran to the batsman. Oh, मारना चाहते थे इस बॉल पे, लेकिन बीट हुई. तारीफ करनी होगी इस छोटे से प्लेयर की, कामरान बट की. बीट किया इस शाकिर को. No runs score remains on 1 without any loss. This is great delivery by Kamran Bhatt. Beat the batsman Shakir. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Shakir. This is again very good delivery. Shubha. This is a very good delivery by Kamran Butt. अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो एक यंग और एनर्जेटिक बॉलर है इस टीम के. Again, Kamran Butt to the batsman Shakir. Oh, here is the chance. Here is the chance. And they batted and very good delivery, but and very well tried by the fielder Kamran Butt. This is great delivery by Kamran Butt. Beat the batsman Shakir. The score remains on 1 without any loss. And this is a very good fielding at the end. And this is the end of first over. The score on board is 1. Now the new batsman is on strike is Fahad Zoor. अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं एक अच्छी पारी के लिए यहाँ पे क्वार्टर फाइनल में. Now he is on strike. Kamran Butt, he completes his first over and give only 1 run. Very good bowling by Kamran Butt. Now Faisal is the new bowler for Chukkar Cricket Club. The young, energetic and aggressive player for Chukkar Cricket Club. He is a talented bowler from this team. This is Faisal to the batsman Fahad Zoor. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Fahad Zoor. 4. This is first 4 for Fahad. First 4 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 5 without any loss. अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो ये बल्लेबाजी में महारत रखते हैं बल्लेबाज फहद ज़ूर. एक अच्छी पारी करी थी यहाँ पे क्वार्टर फाइनल में. 19 runs knocked played here in the quarter final in T20 under 19 Super Cup. Now again he's on strike. He's on 4. He opens his account with this 4. The score on board is 5 without any loss. Faisal again on his bowling mark to the batsman Fahad Zoor. Oh, this is very great delivery. Very good comeback by Faisal. No runs score remains on 5 without any loss. This is very huge total given by Chukkar Cricket Club to Kashmir United. Now they need early wickets here if they want to win this match. They will qualify in finals in under 19 T20 Super Cup. Faisal again to the batsman. Very good delivery by Faisal. No run score remains on 5 without any loss. This is second over of the second inning. The total target is 214 runs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. शरीफ बच्चा आपका शुक्रिया. Wahid Bashir also thanks to you that you join us with this live broadcast and keep share this live broadcast with your friends. This is again Faisal to the batsman Fahad Zoor. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Fahad Zoor. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था कि ये बल्लेबाजी में महारत रखते हैं, क्षमता रखते हैं, पावर रखते हैं, टेक्निक रखते हैं इस चेस को हासिल करने में. Because he is very talented cricketer and batsman for Kashmir United. It is 6 for Fahad Zoor, 6 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 11 without any loss. Wahid Bashir, love you Muzammil bhai. Thank you Wahid Bashir Saf for your love for your support to Muzammil Maharaj. This is 1.4 hours in second evening. The score is 11 runs without any wicket. Doris Doll. Thank you Doris Doll for your love, for your support. And thanks to join us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, वो इस मैच का मजा ले. This is very important match at Chukkar Tulba ground. Semi-final between the two teams. Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. And they give the target of 214 runs to Kashmir United. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि बाल जो है वो छक्के के लिए गई और बॉल थोड़ा समय लगता है, गुम हो गई है बॉल। Hafiz Chopin, thank you Javed Saab for your love, mashallah. Thanks to support me, thanks to join us with this live broadcast. This is a semi-final between the two teams, Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they give the target of 214 runs in 20 hours to Kashmir United. Now they need 203 runs in 110 deliveries. आप सभी का शुक्रिया कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। That is all, Shakir Magri. Thank you for your love to Shakir. Shakir, he is on non-strike and he is also very well cricketer of this team, Kashmir United. वो भी क्षमता रखते हैं इस चेस को हासिल करने में। It will be seen in next which team qualify for finals in T20 Under-19 tournament. This is the first semi-final of this tournament. Tomorrow will be second tournament between Tangmarg Blues versus Balhalan. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। This is again Faisal. और दिस इज शॉट का लगा कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को, बड़ा विकेट कश्मीर यूनाइटेड ने कमाया। This is very catch, good catch taken by the fielder at the end, and this is end of Fahad Zoor. He lost his wicket on 10 runs, and his first wicket for Chukkar Cricket Club. Kashmir United, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Fahad Zoor. एक बड़ा विकेट लिया यहाँ पे फैसल ने, अपने टीम को दिलाया एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा, and very good catch taken by the fielder. This is great bowling here by Faisal, the young and energetic player, and very good catch taken by Zubair Naiku. This is great catch taken by Zubair. This is end of Fahad Zoor. This is big wicket for Kashmir Chukkar Cricket Club. This is 11 runs on board and they lost one wicket in the shape of Fahad Zoor. आज दरकार थी इस टीम को फहाद ज़ोर की, क्योंकि एक बड़ा सा टारगेट दिया है, because this is very huge total here. The two batsmen need to be cool and calm here. They need to be sitting here. They need to be partnership here because they have huge total to target to chase. Now Faisal again, he takes his first wicket in the shape of Fahad Zoor, the big hitter, the big man for Kashmir United lost his wicket. He make only 10 runs. Now the new batsman on strike is Adil. He's on strike. This is again Faisal to the new batsman. Adil, very good delivery. Good delivery by Faisal. No runs score, remains on 11 for the loss of 1. And this is end of 2 overs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले इस सेमीफाइनल का मजा ले, इस मैच का मजा ले, आनंद ले इस मैच का। आज तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज मुजम्मिल महराज, जाहिद की, फैसल की, इशफाक लोन की। एक अच्छा सा टारगेट दिया है। नाउ Kamran is again, he is on his second over. This is third over of this second inning of this semi-final. Shakir Magri, he is on strike. Oh, this is a wide given by the umpire, Irshad Lefty. The score moves on 12 without for the loss of 1. This is very great bowling by Faisal. He takes his first wicket in his first over. Now Kamran again. Kamran again now he's bowling out to the batsman Shakir Magri. Oh, this is great delivery. Beat the batsman Shakir Magri. No run. Score remains on 12 for the loss of 1. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए। तारीफ करनी होगी इस बॉलर की, क्षमता है इसमें, टैलेंट है इस बॉलर में, एग्रेसिव प्लेयर है इस टीम के कामरान भट्ट। He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Shakir Magri. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है इस टीम को। Oh, again he wants to hit this ball, but at the end a very good delivery by Kamran, but at the end a very good keeping by Muzammil Mehraj. No run score remains on 12 for the loss of 1. This is great bowling by the bowler Faisal and Kamran. This is a good partnership of the bowlers Kamran and Faisal. Shakir and Adil, they need to be sitting here. They need to be sitting here. They need a partnership here if they want to stay in this match, because this is a semi-final. This is semi-final between the two teams. Kamran again to the batsman Shakir, and this is good delivery. Very good delivery. No run score remains on 12 for the loss of 1. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है इन दो बल्लेबाजों में, क्योंकि एक विकेट गवाया है, वो भी बड़ा विकेट है, फहद जोर का विकेट गवाया है। एक अच्छी विकेट दिलाई है फैसल ने। At the end, very good catch taken by Zubair Naku. This is again Kamran back to the batsman Shakir. मारना चाहते थे, बीट गए। यहाँ पे एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा कीपिंग के दौरान मुजम्मिल महराज, his witty, his very good cricketer of this team, but very well tried by Muzammil Mehraj. The score remains on 12 for the loss of 1. This here was the chance of a wicket, but this is luck for the batsman Shakir Magre and luck for Kashmir United, because they lost early one wicket in the shape of Fahad Zoor. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मैच का, सेमीफाइनल का मजा लेकर बैठे, आनंद है इस मैच का। This is very interesting match here at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 20 hours, they gave the target of 214 runs, the big total, huge total given by Chukkar Cricket Club. And Kashmir United, they lost their early wicket, the big wicket of Fahad Zoor. Again, Kamran Butt to the batsman Shakir Magre. He's on strike. He faces 10 deliveries. Oh, this is a great shot, but at the end, this is 4 for Shakir Magre, 4 for Kashmir United. And after 10 deliveries, Shakir Magre, he opens his account with this 4. The score moves on 12 for the loss of 1. This is again Kamran Butt. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। एक अहम मुकाबला सेमीफाइनल खेला जा रहा है अंडर 19 T20 टूर्नामेंट चुक्कर तुलबा ग्राउंड में। द टू टीम्स आर Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. This is again Kamran Butt to the batsman Shakir Magre. Oh, this is a wide given by the umpire Elshad Lefty. The score moves on 17 for the loss of 1. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here. They need to be sitting here if they want to stay in this match, in this tournament, because this is a big match. This is semi-final here at Chukkar Tulba ground. Again, Kamran Butt to the batsman Shakir Magre. Oh, this is a great delivery. This is great delivery by Kamran Butt. This is a Daddy's doll. Thanks for your love to Shakir Magre. This is a Faisal Kamran Butt completes his second over. Now Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman, the new batsman Adil. He is on strike. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। The total target is 214 runs, the huge total. This is again Faisal on his second over to the batsman Adil. This is another court delivery. That and here is misfielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 18 for the loss of 1. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है इन दो बल्लेबाजों के दरमियान। एक पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, क्योंकि एक विकेट गवाई है फहद जोर की। Now Faisal again to the batsman Shakir Magre. He's on strike. Oh, this is a wide delivery given by Elshad Lefty. Very good keeping at the end by the keeper Muzammil Mehraj. The score moves on 19 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। Again Faisal to the batsman Shakir. This is photo of Delivery delivery, and this is end of the batsman Shakir Magre. Very good delivery by Faisal. He takes his second wicket. This is end of Shakir Magre. He lost his wicket. He make only 4 runs, and this is a second wicket for Chukkar Cricket Club. And Kashmir United, they lost their second wicket in the shape of Shakir Magre. This is great bowling by Faisal Ahmad Najjar. He takes his second wicket. Muhammad Ashraf, assalamu alaikum, say Muhammad Lukman. Thank you, Muhammad Ashraf sir, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is the semi-final here at Chukkar ground, under 19 G20 Super Cup. The two teams are Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. The target is 214 runs given by Chukkar Cricket Club to Kashmir United, but after 3.2 hours, the score is 19 and they lost 2 early wickets. They lost early 2 wickets here. This is very great bowling by Faisal Ahmad. He takes early 2 wickets for his team. Manzoor Ahmad Dar runs on board. Thank you, Manzoor Dar sir, for your love for you join this live stream. The total target is 214 runs to win this match. Which team will qualify in semi-final, of this tournament, under 19 G20 tournament played at Chukkar ground. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, और तमाम अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देखें. This is again the new batsman for Kashmir Unity. Sahil Dar is the new batsman for Kashmir Unity. He's on strike now. Now Faisal again. He's on his falling mark. Very aggressive, talented, and aggressive player for this team, Chukkar Cricket Club. He takes 2 early wickets. Again on his bowling mark to the new batsman, Sahil Dar. Abdul Rashid, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. आप सभी का, and Abdul Rashid आपका भी वालेकुम सलाम. This is a good shot at the end. Here is a chance, but at the end this is lazy fielding here. There was the chance of a wicket, but this is 1 run for the two batsmen. The two batsmen take a single. Sahil, he opens his account with the single. The score moves on 20 for the loss of 2. Ishfaq, nice. Thank you, Ishfaq sir, for joining us with this live broadcast and your support to Kashmir Chukkar Cricket Club. This is again Faisal to the batsman, Adil. He is on strike. Oh, this is great delivery by Faisal. Beat the batsman, Adil. No run score remains on 20 for the loss of 2. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है इन बल्लेबाजों की, क्योंकि एक अच्छे हदफ का टारगेट दिया है इस कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को इस सेमीफाइनल में. दिस इज अगेन फास्ट टू द बैट्समैन आदिल. Oh, this is no ball given by the umpire Dar Yusuf. Naiku Mehra Chukkar need aggressive bowling fielding. Thank you, Naiku Mehra sir, for joining us this and good session for this team Chukkar Cricket Club. They need here good cricket, they need aggression, they need good bowling, they need good fielding here if they want to qualify in finals, because they have huge total here. This is again Faisal to the batsman Adil. Oh, this is good comeback by Faisal. Beat the batsman Adil. Adil wants to hit this ball, but he misses his shot. Missed his shot. This is good bowling by Faisal. The score remains on 21 for the loss of 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is again Faisal to the. Oh, this is another good delivery. Very good delivery by Faisal. Beat the batsman. After 4 hours, the score is 21 for the loss of 2. Faisal completes 2 hours, give 14 and take 2. Kamran but completes 2 hours and give only 7 runs. Very good bowling by Kamran and Faisal. Here the two batsmen need to be give a good partnership for his team, because they lost their early 2 wickets and they have given a huge total 214 runs by the captain of Chukkar Cricket Club, especially Abdul Hamid, Kamran Butt, Ariz Nadeem, and also the best batsman of this team, Muzammil Mehraj, Zahid, Zubair, Faisal, Mir Adil, Mir Ubaid. Now Zahid Mir, he's on his bowling mark. He plays also very well now, 48 runs in 15 deliveries with the help of 5 huge sixes. Oh, this is very good delivery by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Sahil Dar. No run. Score remains on 21 for the loss of 2. This is Muhammad Asif joining us with this live broadcast. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. आप सभी का खैर मकदम इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is Zahid Mir on his bowling mark. to the batsman Adil. Sorry, Sahil. Future team of Chukar village. This is Muhammad Asif. Really, this is future cricket team of Chukar village. Very good team. Chukar cricket club. Aggressive players, aggressive, talented, young. This is again Zahid B to the. Oh, this is great delivery. But at the end, very good fielding by Zubair Naiku. No runs score remains on 21 for the loss of 2. This is very great bowling by Zahid Mir. He also plays very well, knock of 48 in 15 deliveries. Big sixes here by Zahid Mir. This is again Zahid to the batsman. Must beat this ball. Marna chahte the lekin beat hui. This is great delivery by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Sahil. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए अगेन जाहिद मीर टू द बैट्समैन दिस इज ग्रेट शॉट हियर टेक्निकल शॉट हियर प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन साहिल दिस इज 4 for Sahil 4 for Kashmir United the score moves on 25 for the loss of 2 here the two players need to be cool and calm because they lost their early 2 wickets. They need a partnership here because they have a huge total to win this match, to stay in this match in this tournament. This is semi-final here at Chukar Kunzar Tulba ground. This is again Zahid Mir. Oh, मारना चाहते थे, दोबारा मारना चाहते थे, लेकिन beat हुए. This is very good comeback by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Sahil. No runs score remains on 25 for the loss of 2. Zahid Mir again to the batsman. Sahil wants to hit this ball. Very good delivery at the end. This is end of 5 hours. The score is 25 for the loss of 2. This is a very great bowling by the bowlers of Kashmir Chukar Cricket Club. They take their other 2 wickets, 25 runs on board, especially Kamran Butt and Faisal. Faisal is the bowler. He takes 2 wickets for his team in his 3rd over. This is Addu Adnan. Nice Chukar. Thank you Addu Adnan for your love, for your support to Chukar Cricket Club. And also thanks to join us with this live broadcast. This is a new bowler for Chukar Cricket Club, Ishfaq Loon. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. दिस इज सेमीफाइनल हियर एट Chukar Tulba ground. Now the new bowler is Ishfaq Loon. Oh, this is full toss delivery at and this is 4 very good shot played by the batsman Adil. This is first 4 for Adil, 4 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 29 for the loss of 2. This is a full toss delivery by the bowler Ishfaq Loon, but at the end very good shot played by Adil. He moves on 5 runs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. The target is 214 runs for Kashmir United. This is very great batting by Muzammil Mehraj, Zahid Mir, Faisal, Ishfaq Loon. Target is 214 for Kashmir United. But Kashmir United, they lost their early 2 wickets. They have only 29 runs on board. Muhammad Asif, thank you. Muhammad Asif साहब for join us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस live broadcast को देखने के लिए. Now again Ishfaq Loon to the batsman Adil. He is on 5 runs. He is on strike. Oh, this is very great comeback by the bowler Ishfaq Loon. Beat the batsman Adil. No run score remains on 29. Beat किया यहाँ पे Adil को. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन beat हुए. This is very good delivery by the bowler Ishfaq Loon. This is again Ishfaq Loon to the batsman Adil. This is another good delivery by Ishfaq Loon. The score remains on 29 for the loss of 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. Ishfaq to the batsman Adil. This is wide given by the umpire. The score moves on 30 for the loss of 2. अगर हम बात करेंगे Chukar Cricket Club की, Abdul Hamid, he make only 8 runs. Aris, he make only 7 runs. Mir Ubaid, this is again very good delivery by Ishfaq Loon. Very good delivery. No runs score remains on 30 for the loss of 2. Mir Ubaid, he make only 9 runs. Kamran Butt. And this is again very good delivery by Ishfaq Loan. Here the batsman is not happy with this. Oh, this is very good shot played by the batsman for 4. This is 4 for Adil, 4 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 34 for the loss of 2. Here the batsman is not happy with this delivery. But the decision of umpire is the last decision here. अगर हम बात करेंगे चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब की, मीर उबैद 9 रन बनाए, कामरान भट्ट 10 रन, जुबैर he makes 6, Faisal Ahmad Najjar very well knock off 21, and he supports with support given to Muzammil Mehraj, and Muzammil Mehraj he make also 62 runs in 35 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 7 fours. Zahid Mir very well knock off 48 runs in 19 deliveries with the help of 5 6 and 3 fours. This is Ishfaq Loan also make 21 runs in 10 deliveries. Mir Adil he make 4 runs also. Muhammad Asif by umpire decision is final. Thank you Muhammad Asif Saab for your good suggestion. This is 6 hours completed and the score is 34 for the loss of 2. Now Zahid Mir, he is again on his bowling mark. To the batsman Sahil. Sharif Bacha, umpire कौन है? Thank you Sharif Bacha साहब. Umpire is on shot left here. This is this is great catch taken at the end by the bowler Zahid Mir, and this is end of Sahil. Very good catch taken at the end by the fielder bowler Zahid Mir, and this is end of Adil. Kashmir United, they lost their 3rd wicket in the shape of Adil. This is great catch taken by the bowler at the end. He takes his 1st wicket in the shape of Adil. This is very great bowling by Zahid Mir, and at the end very good catch taken by the bowler Zahid Mir. Kashmir United, they lost their 3 wickets and they have only 34 runs on board. Very good bowling by Zahid Mir. At the end very good catch taken by Zahid Mir. This is great catch. This is disciplined and quality cricket played by the team Chukar Cricket Club here. 34 runs and they lost 3 wickets here, Kashmir United. Now the new batsman is Shahid Shabir, he is on strike. Muhammad Asif, my prediction. Thank you Muhammad Asif sahab for your support to Chukar Cricket Club. This is Muhammad Asif, मैंने बोला out और out ही होगा. Thank you. This is again very good delivery by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Shahid Shabir. No run score remains on 34 for the loss of 3. This is very great delivery by Zahid Mir. Shahid is the new batsman on strike. Zahid to the batsman Shahid. Oh, this is another cat delivery. At the end, very good fielding by the fielder Mir Ubaid. The 2 batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves on 36 for the loss of 3. Zahid Mir again to the batsman. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Adil. Very good shot. Huge 6 by Adil. 6 for Adil. 6 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 41 for the loss of 3. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का यहाँ पे लगा इस आदिल के बल्ले से. 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. It will be seen in next which team qualify for finals in this tournament, under 19 tournament. This is first semi-final between the 2 teams. Tomorrow will be next match of next semi-final here at Chukatulba ground between Tangmark Billus versus Palhalan. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि बॉल जो है ह्यूज 6 लगा यहाँ पे आदिल ने, यहाँ पे बॉल गुम हो गई है। अब थोड़ा वक्फा लगता है इसमें, उसके लिए हम माजरत खा है आपसे। दिस इज SI मुजी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अनस भाई, थैंक यू मुजी साहब फॉर योर love, for your support, and also thanks to join us with this live broadcast. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to SI Mozi. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप कहाँ से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हैं। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले। This is a T20 under-19 tournament played at Chukatul Bagh ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. And they give the 214 runs target, huge total target given by Chukkar Cricket Club to Kashmir United. After 6.4 hours, Kashmir United, they have 41 runs on board and they lost 3 early wickets. Now they need 173 runs. And they have 7 wickets in hand. Manzoor Ahmad Dar, United Kashmir score runs in overs. Now the score is 41 for the loss of 3. Kashmir United, they need 173 runs in 80 deliveries. Zahid Mir again. Oh, this is wide given by the umpire and very good fielding by Abdul Hamid in third. But cannot stop the two batsmen take a single. With this, the score moves on 43 for the loss of 3. Rafiq score किसने ज़्यादा किया? Thank you Rafiq साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. The total target is this is another good delivery and very good shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for the batsman Shahid. 4 for Kashmir United. With this 4, the score moves on 47 for the loss of 3. Shahid Shabir plays a very good shot at the end. The batsman Muzammil Mehraj is the batsman. He plays very well, knock off 62 runs. And also Zahid Mir, very well, knock off 48 in 19 deliveries. Also Ishfaq Loon, 21 runs. And also Faisal Ahmad, he also plays 21 runs knock. Wani Umaid, thank you Wani Umaid sir for joining us with this live broadcast. And also thanks to support me, thanks to share this live broadcast. Keep support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. रफीक चुका टीम में किसने ज़्यादा स्कोर किया? रफीक साहब चुका टीम में मुजम्मिल महराज, उसने अच्छा हज़फ एक अच्छी पारी खेली यहाँ पे 64 रन्स नॉक प्लेड मुजम्मिल महराज. एंड आल्सो जाहिद मीर 48 रन्स एंड फैसल आल्सो 27, इशफाक लोन 21. Dina DSR Bilal Bhai, great, thank you Dina DSR for your love, for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and also you can support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. You can also subscribe me on my YouTube channel. This is a huge total given by Chukkar Cricket Club. 214 runs is the target for Kashmir United. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. वानी उमेद नाइस कमेंट्री बिलाल साहब, थैंक यू वानी उमेद साहब फॉर जॉइनिंग अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गई है, थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा, उसके लिए थोड़ा माजरत का. अच्छा कैसा करते हैं आपसे मैं शुक्र करो कि पानी से पढ़ने के लिए करा चिंता कर उसका हो गया तो कोई नहीं क्या मानसून यार मैं कौन फोन को लेकर मुझे कर वो तो बस मानसून क्या किसी मानसून Wahid Bashir, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast, and thanks for your love, thanks for support this live broadcast. कर बंद यो इधर ना बंद क्यों गिरा कोई बाल शॉट है ये बाल आए Wahid Bashir Tetis Gas Light Team. Thanks Wahid Bashir Saab. This is a 2020 match played at Chukatul background. This is the last delivery of 7th over. The total target is 214 runs for Dina Diaz. Next Sunday match between Dar Potters versus Yal Enos. Karo Bilal Bhai. Thank you Dina Diaz sir. Inshallah I hope so. The final of this tournament will be. Oh, here is a chance. Oh, this is great catch taken by the fielder Abdul Hamid. Very good catch. Very good fielding by the bowler Zahid Mir. He takes his second wicket. This is great catch taken at the end by the fielder Abdul Hamid. Kashmir United, they lost their fourth wicket in the shape of Shahid Shabir. This is a very good catch taken at the end by the fielder Abdul Hamid. Zahid Mir, he takes his second wicket. Dina Diaz next Sunday match between Dark Parties versus Yal. Inshallah, I hope so. Inshallah, next Sunday will be. But this Sunday, the big match, final of this under-19 tournament will be played at Chukatul ground. It will be seen which teams will qualify for the finals. Today the two teams are Kashmir United. They lost their 4 early wickets. This is very great bowling by Zahid Mir and Faisal Lajar. The two bowlers take 2 wickets each. Tomorrow will be next semi-final between the two teams at this venue. Palhalan versus Tangmaruk Billus. This is a great catching by the fielder Abdul Hamid at the end. Very good catch. Kashmir United lost their 4th wicket. Arif Khan, thanks to join us with this live broadcast. Sahil and Zahid waiting for your batting. Thank you, Arif Khan Saab, for joining us. This is another good delivery but and no run score remains on 47 for the loss of 4. This is very great fielding by Abdul Hamid, the captain of this cricket club, Chukatul club. Adil is on strike. Oh, this is a chance here. But at the end, the two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves on 48. यहाँ पे 1 रन से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इस टीम को, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टारगेट जो है 214 runs is the target. Huge total given by Chukatul club. This is again Ishfaq, the new batsman Arif Farooq. Here is Yasno, and this is wow, clean ball. This is very good keeping by Muzammil Mehraj. This is another wicket for Kashmir United. They lost their wicket in the shape of Arif Farooq. He lost his wicket on duck. This is 5th wicket for Kashmir United. This is very great fielding by the fielders of Chukatul club. At the end, very good keeping by Muzammil Mehraj. Now the new batsman is on strike is Sahil. .48 runs on board for the loss of 5 after 7.3 overs. This is again Ishfaq Loan. He takes his is on his 2nd over, and this is very great keeping by Muzammil Mehraj. Now the new batsman is Sahil on strike. Ishfaq Loan on his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil. This is very great cricket play today by Chukatul club. Decent, impressive, talented cricket play today. This is Ishfaq again. Very good delivery by Ishfaq. Beat the batsman, but at the end, the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 14-9 for the loss of 5. Ishfaq Loan again to the batsman Arif Farooq. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Arif Farooq. This is 6 for Arif, 6 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 55 for the loss of 5. Again Ishfaq Loon to the batsman Arif Farooq. Oh, again a wide delivery given by the umpire Irshad Lefty. The score. Ouch. Ishfaq Loon again to the batsman Arif Farooq. He's on 6 with the help of one huge 6. Oh, again is a chance. Again, this is a chance here. Can they take this wicket? Oh! This is another good shot taken by Abdul Hamid. Very good catch taken at the end. This is great catch taken by the fielder Abdul Hamid. And this is end of Arif Farooq. Kashmir United, they lost their 6th wicket in the shop of Arif Farooq. Very good catch taken by Abdul Hamid. This is very good cricket played by Chukkar Cricket Club, especially in fielding, in bowling. Today they played decent, impressive and talented cricket here. This is the future cricket team of Chukkar here. Now they need only 4 wickets to win this match. They need only 4 wickets to qualify in this final in T20 Under-19 tournament. Can they take these 4 wickets? Can they qualify in final? This is Fahad Zohar. He lost his early wickets on 10 runs. Here Fahad Zohar gives some tips to the batsman Sahil, because he's a very young and talented cricketer of this team Kashmir United, but he lost their wicket early. Now Sahil again on his bowling mark. So this is the first over of Sahil, Mir Adil. Oh, this is great delivery by Mir Adil. Great delivery, beat the batsman Sahil. No runs score remains on 56 for the loss of 6. Tariq Ahmed, Assalamu alaikum, Kolkata yaad hai. Thank you, Tariq Sahab, for showing us with this live broadcast. Arif Khan, we believe on Sahil. Thank you for Tariq. Thank you, Arif Khan, for your love to Sahil. Arif Khan, he can do, he can win. Thank you, Arif Khan Sahab, for your love, for your support to Kashmir United. This is love from Arif Khan to Kashmir United. This is Mir Adil again to the batsman. Here is another good shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for the batsman Shahid Wani. 4 for Kashmir United. यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो छक्के और चौके चाहिए, because this is very huge total, but they have only 4 wickets in hand. 153 runs need for win this match. 4 wickets in hand for Kashmir United. Another good delivery by Mir Adil. Beat the batsman Shahid Wani. No runs score remains on 61 for the loss of 6. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Shahid Wani. This is 4 for Shahid Wani. 4 for Kashmir United. Great shot played by the batsman Shahid. The score moves on 65 for the loss of 6. This is very great cricket today play by Chukkar Cricket Club, because very well bowling today and very well fielding, catching especially by Abdul Hamid, the captain of this team. 2 catch taken, very crucial wickets, very crucial catch. And also Zubair Naik could take a good catch. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. Here is some tips from Fahad Zohar to the 2 batsmen Sahil and Shahid Wani. आज तारीफ के लायक है ये फील्डर, खासकर अब्दुल हमीद और जुबैर नायकू. आज 3 अच्छे कैच लिए, लपेटे, 3 विकेट दिलाए अपनी टीम को. आज फाइनल में पेश करेंगे ये टीम चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. दिस इज अ विन. This will be win if they will take 4 wickets for This is again Mir Adil. He's on his last delivery to the batsman Shahid Wani. He's on 8 runs. Oh, this again, this was chance here, but very well try by the fielder Aris. This is very good bowling by Mir Adil. No run, score remains on 65. This is very well try by the fielder Aris. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। दिस इज सेमीफाइनल ऑफ अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप। Tomorrow will be next semi-final between Tangmarak Billus versus Palhalan. The final of this tournament will be played in. Oh, this is a great hit by the batsman Sahil. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम by Sahil. Sahil moves on 8 runs. With this 6, the score on board is 71 for the loss of 6. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और काटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। This is Sahil here. It is very good shot at the end. This is 6 for Sahil, 6 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 61 for the last of 6. This is again Ishfaq Loon on his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil. Again good delivery by Ishfaq Loon. Very good comeback by the bowler Ishfaq Loon. No run, score remains on 71 for the last of 6. This is great comeback by Ishfaq Loon. Ishfaq again to the batsman Sahil. Sahil marks to his, but this is wide given by the umpire Ishad Naqvi. The two batsmen take 1 run. The score moves on 73 for the loss of 6. Now Kashmir United, they need 141 runners in 64 deliveries, and they have 4 wickets in hand. Ishfaq Loon again to the batsman Shahid Wani. Oh, this is great delivery by, very good delivery by Ishfaq Loon. Beat the batsman Shahid Wani. No run, score remains on 73 for the loss of 6. This is very good comeback by Ishfaq Loon. Again, this is full toss delivery. Here is a chance. Can they take this out? This is a message by Mir Adil. 4 for Shahid Wani, 4 for Kashmir United. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। Oh, this is this is very good delivery by Ishfaq Loon. Again Ishfaq Loon, this is great delivery by Ishfaq Loon. Beat the batsman Shahid Wani, but at the end 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 79 for the loss of 6. After 10 overs. Oh, this is a chance here, this is a chance. But a very well tried by Ishfaq Loon. Very good delivery by Mir Adil. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 80 for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करेंगे सिंगल की 2 की कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा यहाँ पे इन सिंगलों से, because this is very huge total. 214 runs is the target total target for Kashmir United. Again Mir Adil to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is a great shot, but at the end very good fielding by Aris. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 81 for the loss of 6. Mir Adil again. This is a wide given by the umpire Irshad Lefty. The score moves on 82 for the loss of 6. This is 11th over of this second inning of this semi-final. The final will be played on Sunday, inshallah. This is again good delivery by Mir Adil. Beat the batsman Shahid Wani. Very good delivery. No runs. Score remains on 82 for the loss of 6. Mir Adil again to the batsman Shahid Wani. This is another good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 84 for the loss of 6. इंशाल्लाह इस टूर्नामेंट का फाइनल इतवार को खेला जाएगा. बड़ा मुकाबला. कौन सी दो टीमें इस मुकाबला में शरीक होंगे तो वो देखा जाएगा इंशाल्लाह. This is a very good delivery by Mir Adil. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 83. Sahil, he's on strike. This is great delivery by Mir Adil. Here was the appeal, but cannot impress the umpire Irshad Lefty. No run. Score remains on 83 for the loss of 6 after 11 hours. Paga to sana final. Bezbel. Kai na bestu. Ina yi paga. Bezbel kai be. इंशाल्लाह इस मुकाबला इस टूर्नामेंट का फाइनल इतवार को खेला जाएगा. 11 बजे स्टार्ट होगा इंशाल्लाह. बड़ा मुकाबला होगा उस टाइम. अंडर 19 T20 20 hours will be played. After 11 hours, the score is 83 for the loss of 6. Which team in this match will qualify for finals? Zahid Mir again on his bowling mark to the batsman Shahid Wani. This is a chance. Very good bowling by Zahid Mir. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 84 for the loss of 6. Zahid Mir, he takes 2 wickets. And this is the third over of this bowler Zahid Mir. This is very good delivery by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Sahil. No run. Score remains on 84 for the loss of 6. Sahil, he is on strike. He is on 9. This is very huge 6 by Sahil. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. This is very huge 6 by the batsman Sahil. He moves on 15. The partnership moves on 34 in 21 deliveries. 90 on board for the loss of 6. आज साहिल को यहाँ पे खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए because very huge total given by Chukkar Cricket Club, but they lost their early 6 wickets. Again Zahid Mir to the batsman Sahil. This is great delivery. Very good comeback by Sahil. Zahid Mir. The two batsmen complete a single. Again Zahid Mir. This is great delivery by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Shahid Wani. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे. तारीफ करनी होगी Zahid Mir की. And very well keeping by Muzammil Mehraj. This is again Zahid Mir to the batsman Shahid Wani. This is another good delivery by Zahid Mir. No run. Score remains on 91 for the loss of 6. This is end of 12 hours. This is a semi-final played at Chukkar Tulba ground under 19 Super Cup. Today the two teams are Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. First Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. They give a huge total here, 214 runs to Kashmir United. After 12 hours, 91 on board and they lost 6 wickets. Now Mir Adil on his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil. He is on 16. This is a good shot played by the batsman Sahil. This is 4 for Sahil, 4 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 95 for the loss of 6. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. यूजी उमर Shall cool raho, Sahil cool raho. Thank you, UG Umar Saab, for your love, for your support to the batsman Sahil, for your love, Kashmir United. This is Fahad Zoor on some tips to the two batsmen Sahil and Shahid Wani. UG Umar score khud aayega. Thank you, UG Umar Saab, for your love, for your support to Sahil and Kashmir United. They need to be cool and calm. They need to be stay here. They need a partnership here because they have a huge total. Now they need 119 runs in 47 deliveries. Ishfaq love. Thank you, Ishfaq Saab, for your love, for your support. Also, you can support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is 12 hours off, and the score on the board is 95 at the last half 6. This is very great bowling by Faisal. He take 2 wickets. Also, Ishfaq take 2 wickets. Kamran Butt, very good. Very good bowling by Kamran. Also Mir Adil, and also very well bowling by Zahid Mir. He take also 2 wickets. Very good catching, fielding by Abdul Hamid and Zubair Naiku. UG Umar umpire wide to Nadi. Thank you, UG Umar Saab, for your good session. This is Mir Adil again to the batsman Sahil. He's on 20. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। वेरी गुड डिलीवरी एंड वेरी गुड फील्डिंग बाय अब्दुल हमीद। वेरी गुड फील्डिंग। जहां 4 होना था वहां पे कोई रन नहीं दिया अपनी टीम को, रन बचाए यहाँ पे अब्दुल हमीद ने। Also he take very 2 crucial catches here. This is again Mir Adil beat the batsman Sahil. No runs score remains on 95 for the last of 6. This is very great bowling by Mir Adil. Mir Adil again. Oh, this is great bowling here again. Here was a chance of a wicket, but this is a very good delivery by Mir Adil. Beat the batsman Sahil. UG Umar, good luck Kashmir United. Thank you, UG Umar Saab, for your love, for your support to Kashmir United. They lost their early 6 wickets here. They have only 95 on board. Mir Adil again to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is good shot, and here was the chance of a catch, but very good try by Ishfaq Loan. This is very good hit by the batsman Sahil. 4 for Sahil, 4 for Kashmir United. Sahil, he moves on 24. The score moves on 99 for the last of 6. Sahil is very aggressive, talented cricketer of this team, Kashmir United. He has much more power, talent, aggression. He need to be sitting here. Now they need 115 runs in 43 deliveries. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए इस मुकाबले में कौन जीत दर्ज करेगा, कौन फाइनल में जगह बनाएगा। कमेंट सेक्शन में आप जरूर लिखिए विच टीम विल क्वालिफाई फॉर फाइनल। This is very good cricket played by Chukkar Cricket Club here. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. This is semi-final of Under 19 G20 Cup. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए इस टूर्नामेंट में फाइनल में जगह कौन सी टीम बनाएगी आज के मैच में। इन 2 टीमों में कश्मीर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब। जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए विच टीम विल बी क्वालिफाई इन द फाइनल्स। The final of this tournament will be played on Sunday, inshallah, on 11 a.m. inshallah. I hope so. I will be live broadcast. This is again Mir Adil on his last delivery to the batsman Sahil. UG Umar, Kashmir United. God bless you. Thank you, UG Umar Saab, for your love, Kashmir United. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आज कौन सी टीम इस टूर्नामेंट में फाइनल में जगह बनाएगी। इन दो टीमों में. Which team will be qualified in the finals on Sunday? Put your comments in comment section. YouTuber Allah आपको कामयाबी दे. Thank you YouTuber साहब for your love, for your support to me. This is a also share this live broadcast with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Latif Kashmiri inshallah Chukar will qualify. Latif Kashmiri आपका शुक्रिया, and also thanks to Love Kashmir Chukar Cricket Club. I hope so inshallah, because they play very well cricket today in fielding, in batting, in bowling, especially Muzammil Mehraj. Very well knock played today here in this semi-final by Muzammil, Zahid, Ishfaq Loan, Fazal, and very well bowling by Ishfaq Loan, Kamran, Faisal, and Zahid Mir. Now Mir Adil also. This is very good cricket today played by Chukar Cricket Club. बहरहाल ये गेम है, क्रिकेट है, स्पोर्ट्स है, हार जीत तो होती ही रहती है, but this is very disciplined, impressive, talented cricket tournament played here at Chukar Tulba Ground. The venue is Chukar Kunzar Tulba Ground. The final of this tournament will be played on Sunday inshallah. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कौन टीम फाइनल में जगह बनाएगी. कल इंशाल्लाह दूसरा सेमीफाइनल होगा जो कि 10 बजे शुरू होगा इंशाल्लाह. टंगमरग बिल्लूज वर्सेस पलहालन. Tomorrow is the next semi-final of this tournament will be played between Tangmarg Billows versus Palhalan. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. कश्मीर यूनाइटेड फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स अगर हम बात करेंगे, पहले 10 ओवर फर्स्ट इनिंग की एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया पहले कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के बॉलर्स, खासकर शाहिद वानी ने. He take early 3 wickets here, but after 10 overs here was a change by the change in the match by the batsmen, especially Muzammil, Zahid, Ishfaq Loan, Faisal, and also Zahid Mir. They gave the total target 214, huge total given by Chukar Cricket Club to Kashmir United. After 12.45 hours, the score is 99 for the loss of 6. तो आप सभी का शुक्रिया. सैम बिलाल वहाँ क्या हुआ है, जिस यहाँ पे थोड़ा खेल थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका है क्योंकि बॉल जो है गुम हो चुकी है. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल वहाँ पे भी इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे भी आप सपोर्ट करें. UG Umar Arif Farooq is brother. Thank you UG Umar Saab for your brother Arif Farooq, and thanks for your love, thanks for your support to Kashmir United. होना भी चाहिए क्योंकि एक लोकल टीम जो होती है उसके लिए सपोर्ट करना जरूरी होता है. This is very good also played by Kashmir United in this tournament because in semi-finals they reach in semi-finals in this tournament. But this is camp, this is support, this cricket. One team lost, one team win. It will be seen after 20 hours which team will qualify in the finals in this T20 Super Cup. The final will be played on Sunday inshallah. खेल थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका है क्योंकि बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गई है, इसके लिए हम आपसे माजरत का है. Safwan Manzoor, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. What happened to the match? Thank you, Safwan Manzoor साहब. यहाँ पे एक छक्का लगा था साहिल के बल्ले से, बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गई है. एक बड़ा सा हिट लगाई यहाँ पे साहिल ने. दिस वाज अ बिग हिट बाय साहिल फॉर 6. थोड़ा वक्फा लगता है, इसके लिए हम माजरत खा है. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हो इस मैच का अहम एक मुकाबला सेमीफाइनल खेला जा रहा है दो टीमों के दरमियान, इसका मजा ले, इसका आनंद ले. इंशाल्लाह संडे विल बी द फाइनल ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट. द टू टीम्स which two teams will qualify for finals, it will be seen after tomorrow. This is very great match today between the two teams, Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. Today Chukkar Cricket Club, they play very well cricket by batting and fielding and bowling, especially Muzammil Mehraj gave very well knock of 62. Also Zahid Mir 48 runs knock, played in 19 deliveries. Also Ishfaq Loan played 21 runs in 7 deliveries. Also Faisal also gives support to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Very well partnership, जहाँ पे जरूरत थी उस टाइम पार्टनरशिप की, एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप दिलाई अपने टीम को. जरूरत थी उस टाइम क्योंकि 5 विकेट गंवाए थे चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब ने. लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज मुजम्मिल महराज की, फैसल की, जाहिद मीर की, इशफाक लोन की. एक अच्छा टारगेट दिया है इस सेमीफाइनल्स में. 214 रन इज द टारगेट फॉर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड. After 12.5 overs for Kashmir United, they lost their 6 wickets and they have only 99 runs on board. आज अगर हम बात करेंगे कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की तो आज निराश किया बल्लेबाजी में, क्योंकि आज जल्दी ही विकेट गंवाए, खासकर फहाद ज़ुहूर की जो एक अच्छे बल्लेबाज है, मायानाज प्लेयर है इस टीम के कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के, टैलेंटेड क्रिकेटर है, बट ही लॉस्ट हिज विकेट अर्ली. नाउ मीर आदिल अगेन टू द बैट्समैन साहिल. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. दिस इज अगेन मीर आदिल टू द बैट्समैन साहिल. ही इज ऑन 44. Well, Sahil wants to hit this ball, but at the end very good delivery by Mir Adil. Beat the batsman Sahil. The score remains on 99 for the loss of 6. This is the end of 13 overs. Now 7 overs are remaining in this second inning of this match semi-final. Which team will qualify in the finals? This is again Kamran Butt on his third over, on his bowling mark to the batsman Shahid Wani. He's on strike. Oh, this is chance here. Oh, this is great catch taken by the fielder Mir Ubaid, and this is the end of Shahid Wani. Very good catch taken by the fielder Mir Ubaid. Kashmir United, they lost their 7th wicket in the shape of Shahid Wani. This is end of Shahid. He moves on 16. This is great bowling by Kamran, but he takes his first wicket in the shape of Shahid Wani. Now, Chukkar Cricket Club, they need 3 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals on Sunday. Inshallah, final will be played on Sunday, inshallah. Now the new batsman is on strike. Is Jahangir is the batsman on strike for Kashmir United. Kamran Butt take his first wicket on his first delivery of third over. 115 runs to win this match in 41. Chukkar Cricket Club, they need 3 wickets to win this match to qualify in finals. Again, Kamran Butt again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, this is great delivery. Oh, this is great delivery here. Very good delivery by Kamran Butt. He take second wicket on his second delivery. This is great delivery by the bowler Kamran Butt. He take his second wicket on his second delivery. Now, Kashmir United, they lost their 8th wicket in the shape of Jahangir. Chukkar Cricket Club, they need 2 wickets to win this match. Not only win this match, but also they will qualify for finals on Sunday. Now, Kamran Butt is on hat-trick. 2 wickets on 2 deliveries. The new batsman is on strike. Is Faisal 45 is on strike. 2 wickets to win this match. Not only win this match, but they will also qualify in finals in this T20 Super Cup. Will be played on Sunday, inshallah. This is again Kamran Butt. Kamran Butt on his hat-trick. Oh, this is great delivery by Kamran Butt. But cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. Faisal 45, he opens his account with this single. But अगर हम बात करें यहाँ पे सिंगलों की, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगी इस टीम को, क्योंकि एक बड़ा सा लक्ष्य दिया है यहाँ पे चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब ने. 214 runs is the huge total here given by Chukkar Cricket Club. Now Kamran Butt again to the batsman Sahil. He is on 24. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Sahil. This is huge 6 for Sahil. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. This is very huge hit by the batsman Sahil. The score moves on 106 for the loss of 8. Sahil he moves on 30. अगर हम साहिल की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. But they have a huge total to win this match. Now again Kamran Butt to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is a very good comeback by Kamran Butt. Beat the batsman, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 107 for the loss of 8. This is very aggressive, disciplined and talented cricket play today by Chukkar Cricket Club. Again Kamran Butt. Oh, this is very good delivery by Kamran Butt. Beat the batsman Fazil 45. No run. Score remains on 107 for the loss of 8. After 14 hours, the batsman Sahil is only on 31. Adil 16. Shahid Wani 16. Kamran Butt take 2. Faisal Najjar 2. Ishfaq Noon take 2. Zahid Mir also take 2 wickets. Very good bowling by the bowlers of Chukkar Cricket Club. Now Zahid Mir again on his 4th over. On his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil. He is on 31. Oh, this is great ball by Zahid Mir. No run. Score remains on 107 for the loss of 8. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. मोहम्मद आसिफ सफान वानी. This is again. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding by Mir Obaid. No run. Score remains on 107. Chukkar Cricket Club, they need only 2 wickets to win this match to qualify in the finals of this tournament. Again, very good delivery. Wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Zahid Mir. Beat the batsman Sahil. No run. Score remains on 107. Lost. Oh, this is another good delivery. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman Sahil. No run. Score remains on 107 for the loss of 8. This is great bowling here by Zahid Mir. He also plays very well, like of 48 runs. Again on his bowling mark. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Sahil. This is 6 for Sahil, 6 for Kashmir United. दनाता हुआ छक्का, एक ह्यूज छक्का लगा साहिल के बल्ले से, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. Sahil, he was 37. Again, this is again big shot played by the batsman Sahil. This is 6 for Sahil, 6 for Kashmir United, 2 sixes on 2 balls. He moves on 43. After 15 hours, the score on board is 119 for the loss of 8. 5 overs are remaining in the second inning. 30 balls are remaining, and Kashmir United, they need 94 to win this match. Sorry, 95 to win this match in 30 deliveries. यहाँ पे कोई चमत्कार की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है. कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को, साहिल को, फैजल को. दिस इज मीर आदिल. Mir Adil again in his 4th over. To the batsman Fazil 45. Mir Adil to the batsman Fazil 45. Oh, this is great delivery by Mir Adil. Beat the batsman Fazil 45. No run score remains on Adil to the batsman. This is a wide given by the umpire. Here the two batsmen take a single. The score moves on 119 for the loss of 8. Sorry, 121. Now 93 runs to win this match in 29 deliveries. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए इस मुकाबले को कौन जीतेगा, कौन अपना नाम दर्ज करेगा फाइनल्स में. This is another caught delivery by Mir Adil, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 122 for the loss of 8. Shubham. Again, Mir Adil, this is a wide given by the umpire. The score moves on 123 for the loss of 8. This is Mir Adil on his 4th over. To the batsman Fazil 45. This is a great delivery, but at the end very good fielding by Zubair. The two batsmen take a single. यहाँ पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इन सिंगलों से, because they have 90 runs to win this match in 27 deliveries. Adil to the batsman Sahil. This is a good delivery by Mir Adil at the end. Very good fielding by Ishfaq Loan, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 125 for the loss of 8. This is another good delivery. Very good comeback by Mir Adil. Beat the batsman. No run score remains on 125 for the loss of 8. Mir Adil again to Fazil. This is another good delivery. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे batsman Fazil 45. This is end of 16 hours. The score is 125 for the loss of 8. Very good over by Mir Adil. Now it will be seen after end of 4 hours which team will qualify for the finals on Sunday. Inshallah, the final will be played on Sunday of this T20. Tomorrow, the second semi-final will be played at this venue, Chukartulba ground, between Tangmarak Billus versus Palhalan. This is Ishfaq Loan. This is great delivery by Ishfaq Loan. Beat the batsman Sahil. No run. Sahil wants to hit this ball, but missed by this shot. Ahmed Bhatt, assalamu alaikum sir. Rashid, thank you Ahmed Bhatt sahab. This is good delivery again by Ishfaq Loan. Beat the batsman Sahil. Sahil, he's on 45. 125 on board, and they lost 8 wickets. Ishfaq Loan again to the batsman Sahil. This is great shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding by Mir Adil. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 1 रन दिया, 3 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए आदिल ने. This is another good delivery by Ishfaq Loan. No run. Score remains on 126 for the loss of 8. This is very great bowling by Ishfaq Loan. He's on his 4th over. This is another good delivery but the two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves on 127. But at the end, this is extra runs here. The score moves on 127 for the loss of 8. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। This is again Ishfaq loan to the batsman Fazil 45. Oh, here is a chance of a catch, but at the end this is missed by a wicketkeeper, missed by third. This is 4 for Fazil 45, 4 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 133 for the loss of 8. The partnership moves on 32. Now Sahil, he's on strike, he's on 46. This is good knock played by the batsman Sahil. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए कौन सी टीम फाइनल्स में जगह बनाएगी। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए और आप कहां से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हो। दिस इज सना खान, थैंक यू सना खान, एंड आल्सो वालेकुम सलाम टू यू। दिस इज also this is Fazal to this is a great shot played by the batsman. This is 4 and this is 50 for Sahil. Very good knock played by the batsman Sahil. 50 for Fazal, Sahil. The score moves on 136 for the loss of 8. Fazal again on his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is great delivery. Good comeback by Faisal. Beat the batsman Sahil. Sahil wants to hit this ball at the end. He missed this. Very good delivery by Faisal. मोहम्मद आसिफ चुकर, थैंक यू मोहम्मद आसिफ साहब फॉर योर लव। सना खान आपका भी शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। सफान मंजूर, फैसल कम, थैंक यू फैसल फॉर योर लव टू Sahil. This is again oh, this is good shot played by Sahil. Very good shot. This is huge 6 by the batsman Sahil. 6 for Sahil. 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. He is on the fire. The Sahil batsman, he moves on 56. Sana Khan, great commentary. Thank you, Sana Khan, for your love, for your support. Keep share this live stream also, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is again pass out to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is again very good shot played by the batsman Sahil. Huge sixes, दन बनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. This is great shot played by the batsman Sahil. Sahil is very talented, aggressive cricketer. He moves on 62 in 34 deliveries. Now again Faisal. This is again Faisal to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is great comeback by Faisal. Very good delivery. But at the end, the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 149. It is a 50 partnership between the two batsmen, Sahil and Faisal 45. Sana Khan, wow, what a beautiful shot. Thank you, Sana Khan, for your love to this shot. This is again good shot at the end. This is fielding here. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score, no single, sorry. This is 149 on board for the loss of 8 after 18 hours. Now 12 deliveries are remaining in this evening. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. This doll Sahil is on fire. Thank you. This doll for your love to Kashmir United. Sana Khan, great. Thank you. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, मजा ले. This again Kamran to the batsman Sahil. Sahil wants to hit this ball, but at the end very good shot played by the batsman Sahil. This is 4 for Sahil, 4 for Kashmir United. The score moves on 153 for the loss of 8. Kamran Bhatt again. 11 ball, 61. This is again Kamran Bhatt to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is great shot again, but at the end very good fielding by Faisal. No run score remains on 153 for the loss of 8. This is a great comeback by Kamran Bhatt. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil. Oh, this is another good shot. And this is 4 par Sahil, 4 par Kashmir United. Very good shot played by the batsman Sahil. The score moves on 157 for the loss of 8. Kaisatar, congratulations Chukar Cricket Club. Thank you Kaisatar for your love to Chukar Cricket Club. Really, they play very well cricket today. And I also hope so. Inshallah, the final will be played on Sunday. Which team will qualify, it will be seen. This is another good shot. Oh, very good shot played by the batsman Sahil. He is on aggressive cricket. He is on the fire. This is 4 par Sahil, 4 par Kashmir United. This batsman Sahil is very aggressive. Manzoor Ahmad Dar, 11 balls left to 65. You are a next person. Thank you, Sarah Khan. Thank you. Also, thanks from me. And thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. This is very good batting by Sahil. He is on 75. Oh, this is very good delivery by Kamran Butt. Here is good cricket played by the players, especially Kamran, Sahil, Faisal. This is a brotherhood. This is a peace. This is love between the players at this match in Tulbagh ground. This is again Kamran Butt to the batsman Sahil. Oh, Sahil again wants to hit this ball. Very good delivery by Kamran Butt. Beat the batsman Sahil. No run score remains on 161. Now 6 deliveries are remaining in the second inning. This is a very great delivery by Kamran Butt. Beat the batsman Sahil Wani. He wants to be a shit shot, but at the end he misses this ball. This is the last over of this. Now Faisal. Oh, this is very great delivery by Faisal. But the two batsmen take a single. यहाँ पे आप single से 2 रन से कोई काम नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि 52 runs in 5 deliveries. This is impossible to win this match. This is congratulations from me to Chukar Cricket Club. They will qualify in finals in T20 Super Cup. Will be played on Sunday inshallah. Tomorrow the second semi-final will be played between Tangmarak Billus versus Palhalan. This is Faisal again. Oh, very good delivery by Faisal. Beat the batsman Sahil. अगर साहिल की बात करें उसकी भी तारीफ करनी होगी. एक अच्छी पारी खेली है यहाँ पे साहिल. He is on 75 in 42 deliveries. Very good batting by Sahil. Sana Khan, you are beautiful and honest person. Thank you Sana Khan साहब, आपका शुक्रिया इस प्यार देने के लिए. This is again. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Sahil. Sahil is on fire, but the huge total is 214 runs. तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज की. He is on 81. Now it will be seen can he complete his 100 in 3 deliveries. Sorry. This is again Faisal. Oh, this is great delivery. Very good comeback by Faisal. Beat the batsman Sahil. लेकिन साहिल की भी तारीफ करनी होगी. एक अच्छी पारी खेली यहाँ पे 81 रन पे नाबाद. Now 2 deliveries are remaining. Oh, this is a. Oh, this is. But that very well tried by the fielder. Marwan Jan, congratulations to Chukar Cricket Club. Thank you, Maruk Chan Saab, Sana Khan, Meow, Chukar Meow. Thank you, Sana Khan, for your love to support to this cricket team, Chukar Cricket Club, because they play very well today. And this will be also congratulations to from me to Chukar Cricket. This is last delivery of this inning. Oh, this is very good delivery. And this is the end of this match. And Chukar Cricket Club, they qualify for finals in T20 Super Cup under 19 at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Very well played by Sahil also. Very well knock off 82 runs. This is a very good cricket played at this Tulbagh ground. So this is the end of this match. This is a win for Chukar Cricket Club. They qualify for finals in this T20 under 19 tournament. So this is the end of this match. Win for Chukar Cricket Club and qualify for finals in this T20 Super Cup under 19. The final